Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Gemini Janitor AI. First, navigate to the official Gemini Janitor AI platform. You will need to create a new account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, look for the Get Started or Setup section, which is usually prominently displayed. This initial step is crucial for accessing all the powerful features of your new AI assistant. Now let's configure your AI assistant. You can define specific cleaning preferences, such as daily or weekly schedules, and integrate with your existing smart home devices for seamless operation. Remember to set up notification preferences so you are always informed about task completions or any alerts. Customizing cleaning zones allows the AI to focus on specific areas, ensuring thorough and efficient work. Next, explore the advanced features to optimize your experience. You can set up complex routines with advanced scheduling options, allowing for highly customized cleaning. The AI learns over time, improving its efficiency with each use. Access detailed cleaning reports and performance metrics to track its effectiveness. Also, adjust sensitivity settings for different surfaces, ensuring gentle yet thorough cleaning across your home. Finally, let's discuss maintenance and support. It is important to regularly check for software updates to ensure your AI assistant is always performing at its best. If you encounter minor issues, review the common troubleshooting tips provided. For more detailed guidance, the comprehensive user manual is an excellent resource. Should you need further help, customer support is readily available to provide personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.